You have a lot, this one in Africa, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I love it. They're aggressive
Yeah.
and they fast.
Pag tumayo yan, laki nga.
Their meat is good.
Yeah, they is good. Yeah.
This one in the Philippines, too much this one.
Time in team before, meat is
It's very good.
100
It's a nice for it's
Yes.
a stew, a nice stew. It's very good.
because this one no fats.
Yeah.
Oh,
Because they're very active.
what is this? This is a normal dog.
It's like a little fox or something. Small fox.
He's going crazy.
It's too small for these animals, man.
Yeah.
You can understand the goat or anything, but the dog, I mean,
Owl.
that's nice.
Yeah. Grabe yung ano, yung kambing ang haba ng sungay oh.
They even have dogs.
Yeah. Giant rabbit.
Here.
You don't need them in cages, really.
You see?
You don't love dogs.
Yeah, they're such dirty animals.
Yes. Because according to your,
Yeah.
they're trapped, chased by dogs. That's why they, some people, they are civilized. They, some dogs not big. Not
Oh!
afraid of donkey.
You see the movie Shrek?
Yes.
Yeah. It's a donkey.
All the donkeys has got a cross on his back. See
Yeah.
The line in this line, all donkeys has got a cross on their back.
This is a real donkey. Yeah. Oh, this is a
Harmless, this is,
Pumpe. Pumpe.
liliit oh, chihuahua.
Yan, chihuahua yan.
Mm.
Ito isa pumpe, ano, yan, 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 yan. Ito parang pikingis eh. Pikingis.
Meron ding asong maliit oh. Ah,
Ah,
fox.
fox to fox.
Native fox. Oh, they also have a big turtle.
Ah, tortoise yan, tortoise. Tortoise. It's
And-
not, they are
Rabbits.
sulcata turtles. Tortoise. They are vegetarians.
Kuya Kim, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Saudi Arabia. Oh, this is a
Tasmanian cat.
cat, wild cat.
Tasmanian cat. Ah, hindi, hindi.
Hindi, wild cat yan.
Ay,
Ano, wild cat yan.
Ah, jaguar.
Wild cat yan.
Alawan natin, oh, ang ganda niya. Tapos nag-iisip pa talaga siya.
Oh, wild cat yan, wild cat. Ito naman, yung maliliit.
Ah,
Ano yan?
Pumba. The best friend of,
Yung sa Ice Age.
Lion King.
no, Lion King.
Hmm.
Pumba.
Tingnan mo yung isa, oh, nakatayo, oh, ayun, oh, sa dulo. Nakaiga-iga pa siya. Yeah. This is a wild dog. A fox.
Alam na nila na pakakainin na sila.
Oh, this is the very dangerous.
Porcupine.
Hmm. Sabi.
But if lion want to eat this
Mm.
porcupine, he can eat. But he will suffer a lot.
This is a fox.
Porcupine.
Oh, this is the real hyena. See? A real hyena.
Ugly animals.
Yeah. Real hyena. He is very lonely because he is only one. Oh, this is also a hyena. But the small one. Oh, this is the what we call this one?
Vulture.
Vulture. Vulture. Yeah. What is this, peacock?
This is a blue crane. This is South Africa's national bird.
Oh, national bird of Africa.
It's a blue crane.
Oh.
Blue crane, yeah.
Guys, ito po yung kanilang zoo dito sa Saudi Arabia. Yan, nag-ikot-ikot po kami. Tumingin kami ng kung ano-ano. Yan. May hyena doon, oh. Ayun, oh. Hyena. Yun, tunay na hyena. Yan. Okay guys, this is JB, Doc Vince from JB Repair Shop from the Philippines. So thank you, and sana panoorin nyo to na makita nyo rin at baka makagala kayo dito. 10 real lang yung yung entrance fee. So maraming mga ibon ka na makikita na hindi mo pa nakikita sa buong buhay mo. So
Vulture.
this is all guys, and bye bye.